Illegally detained all parties Hurriyat Conference Chairman Musarrat Alam Butt and other senior leaders have expressed the hope that the United Nations, during its ongoing 77th General Assembly session in New York, will come up with a viable formula for final settlement of disputes like Kashmir to lay a strong foundation for a peaceful world. According to Kashmir Media Service, Musarrat Alam Butt and other leaders like Shabir Ahmad Shah, Naeem Ahmed Khan and Asiya Andrabi in their statements from New Delhi's Tihar jail said that Kashmir is the oldest global dispute present on the UN agenda and ceaseless loss of life due to the unaddressed status betrays utter failure of the world body. The statements, which were released in Srinagar, maintained the desire for a peaceful, progressive and prosperous world would be a daydreaming without resolving the issue like Kashmir involving the political future of millions of people. Meanwhile, Muttahida Majlis-e-Ulama, the representative amalgam of religious, social and educational organizations of Kashmir, in a statement in Srinagar strongly objected to the enforcement of singing Hindu hymns in schools in Kashmir, saying it was an attempt to undermine the Kashmir's religious identity. The MMU, headed by Mirwais Umar Farooq, asked people, including teachers, to defy such diktats that go against the very grain of their religious beliefs and their identity. People's Democratic Party President Mehbooba Mufti, reacting to imposition of a ban on Dastar-bandi across religious places in the occupied territory, said the Bharatiya Janata Party is not ready to stop until it dismantles Kashmir's all religious traditions. India's dreaded State Investigation Agency, along with paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force and police, raided the office of Falai-Am Trust in Srinagar and Baramulla districts, founded by Jamaat-e-Islami of occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Falai-Am Trust is running hundreds of welfare schools across the territory. The raids were carried out at the trust offices in Sopore and Nogam areas. In what locals believe a deliberate attempt by the Modi-led Indian government to cripple the Kashmiris economically, Bangladeshi apple traders have been threatened with seizing the business operation because of unnecessary checking of their fruit-laden trucks at Srinagar-Jammu highway and undue questioning. Speaking to the media in Srinagar, these fruit purchasers expressed regret that they have been suffered significant losses due to delaying tactics used by the authorities. They complained that the fruit-laden vehicles take 15 days to reach Bangladesh as against 7 days in the past. In another anti-education act against the Kashmiri people, the Indian government has cancelled the fellowship of a Kashmiri scholar, Javed Ahmed Reshi, at Aligarh Muslim University on the charge of pro-freedom fiction writing on his social media posts. Javed Reshi, who belongs to Bandipora district, was pursuing PhD at the AMU. Earlier, Jamia Millia Islamia Delhi had cancelled the admission of a Kashmiri activist, Safura Zargar, on baseless charges.